interaction and understanding, and the various indicators of whatever the health is covered in a holistic manner. That's what I appreciate. Secondly, feeling comfortable in understanding what are the issues are there, health issues are there. Giving margin for age, the reaction of the drug, whatever medicine, whatever I took, has been far excellent. And one definite magic that has taken place in my situation is that for many years I had a cough which was insistent, which used to, once if I had got it, nearly about 2-3 months, it was difficult to come out of that. With the medicine here, I can say for the last 1 year, I have come here only for once for my medicine. And now there is a little symptom, therefore I wanted to be a little more on my guard so that it should not affect me. So the overall thing is, thank you, Dr. Santosh, because you are creating Santosh in many homes, I suppose. My sincere best wishes. It is something which you, without making yourself feeling that you are on drug or medicine or whatever, if you can overcome your difficulties, that is great. I think homeopathy can do that. And my experience with thing is very good.